Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful new construction here to show you. Sorry about the grass. This home was completed almost like 10 or 15 days ago, so they lay out the grass and now they have to wait until it grows for them to cut it. So that's the reason for the grass. So let me tell you a little bit about this home. It has 1,898 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, and it's a very, very nice home inside. It also has a freshwater basin. Okay, as soon as you open that door, you will see it. So let me not take too much of your time, and let's go ahead and take a look. As I told you, check out that beautiful basin outside. Look at the view that you have from just coming in. I hope the camera is doing some justice. And over here to my right, you have the kitchen. Okay. And back there, that's the dining room. And let's start the tour over here in this room over here. Let's go, this is bedroom number 1. You can see, let's go in. This could be used, for office too, but since it's have a closet, it's considered a bedroom. So, okay, so let me show you. I like that they added spotlights on the top, so it makes it very nice and bright in here. You have your mount here for the TV. There you go. So you can hook up all your equipment there. Okay, we'll take a closer look at the kitchen later. Let me first show you the laundry room and the garage. Okay, let's take a look here at the laundry room. Has a nice cabinet here, stainless steel sink, and over here is where your wash and dry are. If you notice, all the doors there, they have glass. And before I go to the garage, let me show you over here the pantry. Very nice pantry here. Still haven't put the shelves on, but it's a very nice, large size pantry. Okay, let's take a look at the garage. The garage is a double car garage. It has epoxy on the floor already. Okay. And over here you have your tankless water heater. And you also have a door that leads outside. That's really nice to have because when you got the trash, you don't have to take it out from the front door of the garage. Let's continue. So let's take a closer look at the kitchen now. Got GE stainless steel appliances. Check it out. Got this waterfall island. You got your ovens over here. Very nice. And here's your sink, your dishwasher. Okay, and the nice thing about this is that when you're standing here, you got guests, you could be talking to them and washing your dishes, and you got the view of this beautiful basin outside. Okay, it's a freshwater basin. Okay, we'll go outside and I'll show you the length of the seawall because it's big. It's an oversized lot and you will see it. It's way to get outside so you can see that. Okay, now let's go ahead and take this room over here. This will be room number 2. Okay. Okay, it also has the spotlights like the other room. It's a return AC dock over here, and your AC dock is there. And over here is where they got all the power for your TV. Okay. And then over here, this is your closet. Pretty nice size. Okay, let's continue. Now this is the guest bathroom. Okay. Okay, this house has 3 bathrooms, so this is the guest bathroom here. Check it out, very nice and modern. I think this turns on. There it goes. And the nice shower. Okay, tell me what you think about this home on the bottom. Please comment below. Okay, and over here, this is bedroom number 3. Okay. And this one has its own bathroom. Okay. There's your closet there. And over here's the shower. You got your sink here. And the door that leads outside to your, let me open up here so you see where it is. It's outside. Okay, so when you decide to put the pool, it will be your pool bath. Okay, let's keep going. We'll go outside later. I'll show you the seawall and the outdoor kitchen. Okay, so this is the dining room. Has a pretty nice sized dining room, as you can see. And check out that view from the window. Okay, let me come over here so you can see it from this angle. Now we're gonna go take a look at the master. Okay, here you go. Really nice size master. Okay, another nice thing about this, if you're in your bed here, take out the view you have from the beautiful basin view there. Look at that. Hope the camera is doing justice. It is really nice. Okay, over there is where the hookup for your TVs will be. And now we're gonna take a look here, closet number 1. Nice walk-in closet. This is closet number 1. And then this over here, it's closet number 2. And check out the bathroom. This is the master bath. Okay, let me see if this light starts here or something else. You're gonna turn them here. There you go. Got your double sinks there. Your nice big shower. And over here you got your toilet closet. Okay, and with a window. A lot of people like to have a window in the toilet closets. So now let's go ahead and go outside and take a look at the outdoor kitchen and the beautiful view of the freshwater basin, okay? Remember, if you would like to know the price of this home, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen or go in the description below. And please comment below and tell me what you think about this home. I really would like to have some input. Okay, we're outside. Check out the outdoor kitchen. You got a nice sink and shelves. Don't have a barbecue, don't have a grill, but you have some things out here to hang out, and maybe you could get one and install it here somewhere, because you got plenty of space here, so you could put a barbecue out here. Okay, now, like I was saying before, let's take a look at this beautiful view. That's the entrance to the pool bath, but let's take out this beautiful view of this basin here. Check out how quiet it is. And the lot actually starts right where the little flag is, okay, where the seawall starts. And it goes all the way to the other side over there. And check out the view. And how clear the water is. I don't know if the camera would let you, but you could actually see the bottom. See if I see some fish. Very good, nice place. There's a fish. There's the fish. Let me see if I can get it to come out. There's 2 fish right there. I don't know if the camera caught it. Look, another one there. So a pretty good one there. I don't know if the camera gets it. Look, a bigger one here. Over there, another one. There's a lot of fish here. So if you like freshwater fishing, I can tell you that this is a good spot. Okay. So let me know what you think about this home, okay? Let me show you from this angle here. Let me know what you think about this home. Very nice. He has the square footage that everybody's looking for, has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The only thing missing is the pool, but that you could add on later on and make it the way that you like it. Okay? And this view, you're almost right in the middle of this beautiful view here. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos, feel free to click here.